Hello, I'm Andy, the Schnucks Cheese Guy. Charcuterie boards are so much fun at parties. Everybody loves them. They're the talk of the party. This year at Schnucks, we're gonna make it easy for you. We've got some of the best cheeses picked out to make your board fantastic. Along with the cheeses, we've got charcuterie. We've got great accompaniments like crackers, chocolates, olives. It's gonna be a one-stop shop. Walk up to the case and look at the sign, and you'll be able to pick every item that's on there in the case and build yourself a fantastic board. Today, we're gonna tell you how to make it using those items. The first one we wanna talk about is our President Brie. So Brie is one of those cheeses that almost everybody loves. It is really creamy. It goes with just about everything. You can have it with fig spread or nuts or charcuterie or fruit. The next cheese we want to talk about is our 18-month aged Gouda. It's got this caramel flavor. It's got this fudgy texture. It's a little bit sweet and really pairs well with caramelized pecans. And my favorite is with the Culinary toffee sea salt milk chocolate. This cheese and that chocolate together are fantastic. And the last cheese we've got is our Gruyere. Gruyere has a really neat flavor. It's got a little bit of a mushroom note. It really pairs well with like mustards, pairs well with stronger items like pickled vegetables. Even olives and Gruyere go really, really well together. So these are the cheeses that we're gonna put on this board, and to me, that's where you start. You gotta start with the cheeses and make sure you have some really great cheeses.